Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds, and today we have the absolute delight to bring to you this absolutely beautiful mountain grey metallic Mercedes Benz GLA200 AMG complemented perfectly with the black Alcantara and Artico leather interior. The vehicle comes having covered just 25,699 miles, has full Mercedes Benz service history and £595 of factory fitted options. The factory fitted option is the mountain grey metallic paintwork, as mentioned, costing £595 and last serviced in March 2023 at 24,945 miles. As we walked around the exterior, you've seen the car is in absolutely beautiful condition. And as we jump inside the vehicle, you will see that continues throughout, with the contrast red stitching there really standing out. And having a look now from the rear into the driver's seats and the cockpit. Specification from factory, including the 3-stage electric memory front seats with the controls just on the driver's door card there and on the passenger door card on the left hand side there. The vehicle comes with a fitted reversing camera, has front and rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, and as we look up above there, we have the glass sliding panoramic sunroof. Have one more look at the exterior. Thank you for taking the time and watching the video. I hope it's been of some use, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.